দেখো আমরা পড়াচ্ছি ডিলিশন অফ এলিমেন্ট ফ্রম লিঙ্ক লিস্ট। আমরা ফার্স্ট যে ফাংশানটা লিখছি সেটা হচ্ছে ভয়েড ডিলিট বিগিনিং। ডিলিট বিগিনিং ফাংশন is used to delete the beginning element of the linked list. if linked list not exist তাহলে আমরা তো ডিলিট করতে পারবো না, সেই জন্য আমরা এখানে একটা পয়েন্টারও ডিক্লেয়ার করে রাখছি, প্লাস চেক করছি যে ইফ হেড ইজ ইকুয়াল টু নাল, হেড যদি নাল হয়ে যায় তাহলে আমরা ডিলিট করতে পারবো না, তাহলে মেসেজ দিয়ে এখান থেকে রিটার্ন করে বেরিয়ে যাবো। তাহলে হেড যদি নাল হয় তাহলে প্রিন্ট এফ লিস্ট বা লিঙ্ক লিস্ট নট এক্সিস্ট। লিঙ্ক লিস্ট নট এক্সিস্ট, সো রিটার্ন, that is return from del beginning. otherwise if list exist then আমরা দেখো চলে আসছি p is equal to head, that is p head কে পয়েন্ট করবে, p is equal to head, then head is equal to head next, so head চলে যাবে পরের নোডে, তাহলে head is equal to head next, এই নোটটাকে আমরা অ্যাভেলেবল লিস্টে পাঠাবো মেমোরি, সেই জন্য আমরা লিখব ফ্রি পি। ফ্রি ইজ এ ফাংশন এক্সিস্ট ইন সি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, ইজ ফ্রি দ্য লোকেশন, দ্যাট ইজ এই লোকেশনটা অ্যাভেলেবল লিস্টে চলে যাবে। সো দিস ইজ ডিলিট ফ্রম বিগিনিং, হচ্ছে ডেল বিগিনিং ফাংশন। দিস ইজ ইউজ টু ডিলিট অ্যান এলিমেন্ট ফ্রম দ্য লিস্ট। দেখো যদি সিঙ্গল এলিমেন্ট থাকে তাও প্রবলেম নেই, যদি সিঙ্গল এলিমেন্ট থাকে নো প্রবলেম, বিকজ ইট ইজ হেড, তাহলে p is equal to head, head is equal to head next, so head becomes null, so no problem. if there is only one node তাও লিঙ্ক লিস্টটা ব্ল্যাঙ্ক হয়ে যাচ্ছে, head equal to null হয়ে যাচ্ছে। সো এই কোডিংটা ইউজ করলে আমরা ডিলিট ফ্রম বিগিনিং অনেক ইজিলি করে ফেলতে পারছি। দেন ডিলিট ফ্রম এন্ড, ডেল এন্ড, এন্ড মানে এই নোডটাকে ডিলিট করবো, তার মানে এই নোডকে যদি ডিলিট করতে চাই তাহলে তার প্রিভিয়াস নোডে আমাকে একটা পয়েন্টার রাখতে হবে। এবার এইখানে ডেল ফ্রম এন্ড এমন হতে পারে যে দেয়ার ইজ অনলি ওয়ান নোড, হতে পারে একটাই নোড আছে, তাহলে সেটা ডিলিট কী করে করবো? তাহলে আসছি আমরা ডিলিট ফ্রম এন্ড। দেখো আমরা লিখছি ডিলিট এন্ড। we use two pointer, say node star p and star q. First we test the same thing, if head is equal to null, head যদি null হয়ে যায় তাহলে same thing, that is print list not exist and return from here. Then next step, p is equal to q is equal to head, that is p and q both point to the head node, say this is the head node, suppose this is the head node, so p points here and q also points here. Now while q next not is equal to null, p is equal to q and q is equal to q next, this, তাহলে এই কোডটা ভালো দেখে নাও, q next not equal to null, so p is equal to q and q is equal to q next. See, q next not equal to null, yes, because there is a node, so p is equal to q, already p equal to q, বা p equal to q যেখানে পয়েন্ট করেছে p সেখানে পয়েন্ট করবে, p already pointed to that location, and q is equal to then q next. Again q next not equal to null, yes, and p is equal to q, so p comes here, and then q is equal to q next. Again q next not equal to null, yes, then p comes here because p is equal to q, and then q is equal to q next. But here you see that q next is equal to null, so stop the process. Just see p points to the before the last node. Now if there is only one node in the linked list, then what happens? Head, here p points here and then q points here, this coding p is equal to q is equal to head, while q next not equal to null, but here q next is equal to null, so loop does not continue, so p and q both are point to the head. তাহলে আমাদের চেক করতে হবে যে p is equal to q কিনা. If p is equal to q, then there is only one node, then we have to write the coding separately, and for p not equal to q we have to write the coding separately for delete the last node. তাহলে দেখো আমরা এখানে লিখছি যে if p is equal to q, that means there is single node, so we have to write head is equal to null. Head is equal to null, so head null means এটা delete হয়ে গেল. Now we just free the corresponding location, lastly we free the location p, আমরা লাস্টে এটা ফ্রি করব. else তাহলে if p is equal to q, then head equal to null. Otherwise দেখো this situation means p next is equal to null. If you write p next equal to null, then this link will be cut off, and if you free the location q, then last node will be deleted. তাহলে কি লিখবো এখানে? else p next is equal to null. Okay, তাহলে p next is equal to null, তার মানে this is null. Okay, now we write the coding to free the location, so here we write free q. If we write free q, then these locations will be free and go to available list. If you write free q, then these locations will be free and go to available list. So stop the process for delete end. So delete end is complete. The delete end means we have to delete the last element. If there is only one node, then we have to delete that. If there are more than one node, then we have to delete the last node. For that reason, we traverse by using two pointers p and q, such that p points to just before the last node and q point to the last node. If there is only one node, then p and q both are point to the first node. For that reasons we write this coding p equal to q is equal to head, and while q next not equal to null, p is equal to q and q equal to q next. After that we check if p equal to q, then head equal to null. Head equal to null, that means the linked list becomes blank because there are only one node. Otherwise p next is equal to null, so we write this equal to null, so this link is cut off, that means q is separated from the list. Now we write free of q and free of q, that means this node goes to the available list. So this is the coding for del end, delete end. Now we write the coding. We are going to write the coding for del from delete element from any position. For that reasons we take an element from user and we search the element. If the element exists, then we delete the element. This is the same coding for all. Delete an element. Suppose this is a linked list exists into memory. say 5, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9. Suppose you want to delete 7. There may be so many situations may arise. Suppose there is a single node and that is 7. First of all, 7 does not exist anywhere. This is the case. Or 7 exists and that is the first node, and there is only one node in the list. 7 exists, that is the first node, but linked list has many nodes. Seven exists at last, and there are multiple nodes. This is the last node, single node. If 7 exists, but this is the last node. 7 exists, but the first node. The same case. 7 exists, but the first node. 7 exists, but the last node. 7 exists, but the anywhere position except first and last. And 7 does not exist. There are 4, 5 cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases. Now we are going to write del delete element void. Sorry. Delete element void. Void delete element. Okay. So first we have to declare two pointer node star p and then star q. One variable x needed because you take the element from user, which element you want to delete. Then you have to write if head is equal to null, same coding. If head is equal to null as previous, print f list not exist and then return. Return list not exist, return. Then after that you have to search, take the element from user and then search the element. Printf enter element to delete, enter element to delete. Scanf %d %x, enter element to delete and scanf করে নিলাম এবার, ঠিক আছে। এবার এলিমেন্টটা সার্চ করব, তাহলে কিভাবে সার্চ করছি দেখো। p is equal to q is equal to head, while q arrow data not is equal to x and q arrow next not is equal to null. তার মানে দেখো আমরা যদি সার্চ করতে করতে একদম লাস্টে চলে যাই তাহলে আমরা আর কন্টিনিউ করব না। আদারওয়াইজ কিউ অ্যারো ডেটা নট ইজ ইকুয়াল টু এক্স দেন কন্টিনিউ and q next not is equal to null then continue, q next not is equal to null then continue or something then continue. Okay, if this exists then p is equal to q and q is equal to q next. তার মানে p always point করবে তার previous node আর q point করবে just next node. So q is equal to q next, q moves forward আর p ঠিক তার ব্যাকে যাচ্ছে. This is the coding. Just see, if we want to execute this coding, then we get the element. There are two situations we may or may not get, so you have to check the element exists or not. If q data not is equal to x, then just give a message element not exist, return element not exist, and then return from here, ওকে। এবারে দেখো এই কোডিংটা পুরো রান করাই এখানে, ধরো 7, তাহলে সাপোজ হিয়ার P and Q, while Q not is, suppose our data is x is equal to 7, Q not is equal to data, yes, and Q next not equal to null, yes. So P is equal to Q, already Q P point করে আছে, Q যেখানে পয়েন্ট করে আছে, and Q is equal to Q next. Again Q data not equal to 7, not equal to x, yes, and Q next not equal to null, so Q is equal to Q next. Then Q data is equal to 7, so exited from the loop and we get the data, P data not equal to x data false, তার মানে আমরা if এর লাস্টে চলে এসেছি, that means there exist and data, so you have to delete it. If similarly in this way Q point here and P points here, we get the element 7. In this way P points here and Q points here, because Q data is equal to 7, here also Q data equal to 7, Q next not equal to null, here also P, Q both are pointed to the first locations. Now another situation is that there are no elements exist, that is 7 does not exist, say 6, 5, 2, so Q points here and P will be point here. So if we check, there are no element, Q data not equal to x, so return element does not exist and return, so এই কেসটা কমপ্লিট। নেক্সট এই কেসগুলোতে আমরা আসবো for deleting the element from beginning. There may be single node, if the node is single node, then we have to write one coding, others as step by step. এটা ইরেজ করে দিচ্ছি। Next, if P is equal to Q, then we confirm that if P is equal to Q, আচ্ছা one thing আমি এটাকে ইরেজ করে দিচ্ছি, তার মানে আমরা এই কোডিং এ এসেছি, মানে obviously there exists the element, so we have delete the element, and where Q is already pointed and P pointed to its previous node. If there is only one node, then P and Q both are pointed to head. So if P is equal to Q, that means this situation and this situations. So we write this thing, head is equal to head next. If we write head is equal to head next, so head comes here. If we write head is equal to head next, so here head becomes null. So if we just write free of Q, then this node will be deleted and this also will be deleted. As is last, else this is the case. This is the case and this is the case. One thing, if we want to delete this node, say P here pointed at Q, or delete this node, then P next is equal to write Q next. P next is equal to Q next. Then this will be cut off, and if we write free Q, then Q goes to the available list. Here the same thing, if we write this coding, P next is equal to Q next, then for this situation Q next means null, so P next becomes null, so this link is cut off. Here you see P next is equal to Q next, so P next point to the Q next location. So for both the situations the coding is well and good for a single line. Now if you write free Q, then this will be deleted If you write free q, then this will be deleted. If you write free q, this deleted, and this no hampering in the linked list. Head is equal to null for this case. Here head point to the next node. So here last node will be deleted. Here middle node will be deleted, and these points point to the this element. So ultimately the linked list as usual. So if we write this coding, if p is equal to q, head equal to head next, and if we write p next is equal to q next, then both are okay, and the corresponding element automatically deleted. And if we write free q, then q will be freed, and this is the end of the delete list, end of the delete element. So in this way we can delete the element from beginning, from end, or we can element from a list from anywhere where it exists. Either it may be at beginning, it may be at end, it may be at middle, and we can delete. These are the codings for element deletions. So this is the total is singly linked list, which we already teach. We learn already about that. আচ্ছা লিঙ্ক লিস্ট ক্রিয়েশন করেছি আমরা, লিঙ্ক লিস্ট ডিসপ্লে করেছি, দেন ইনসার্ট এলিমেন্ট অ্যাট বিগিনিং, insert element at end, insert element at any position, delete element from beginning, delete element from end, and delete element from anywhere where it exists. Now home task আছে তোমাদের জন্য, সেটা হচ্ছে তো হোমওয়ার্ক করবে। একটা হচ্ছে যে create a singly linked list, create a singly linked list. Number 2, insert an element, say m, whose value is taken from user before n, that is n also given by user and m also given by user. You have to insert the element m before n, and this is third question. Third question, insert an element, say m, after n, after n. Next, home task. Number 4, delete an element before m. Obviously it does not be a first node, and if m is the first node, then there no node exists before m, or m may not exist, then you don't have to delete. Delete an element before m and after m, after an existing element m. It is also previous also existing element m. So create a single list, then insert an element, say m, before m, insert an element, say m, after m, delete an element before m and after m. Number 5, reverse a singly linked list, reverse a singly linked list. Without changing the address of the nodes, without changing the address of the nodes. That means you have to reverse in this way. Suppose this is a linked list exists. Now you have to reverse this address points here, this will be points here, and this becomes head. This is cross in this way. এই অ্যাড্রেসটা একে পয়েন্ট করবে, এই অ্যাড্রেসটা একে পয়েন্ট করবে, এটা ক্রস হবে অ্যান্ড সো অন। দিস দ্য রিভার্স অফ ইংলিশ। সো দিস অ্যাড্রেস ডাজ নট চেঞ্জ, এই অ্যাড্রেসগুলো চেঞ্জ হবে না। রিভার্স এ সিঙ্গলি ইংলিশ উইদাউট চেঞ্জিং দ্য অ্যাড্রেস অফ দ্য নোটস। এইগুলো থাক। এরপরে আরও অনেক হোম টাস্ক আছে যে আমরা একটা সিঙ্গল ইংলিশকে ডিভাইড করে ইউ হ্যাভ টু মেক টু লিঙ্ক লিস্ট such that one linked list contains the even elements and another linked list contains the odd elements. Another way, আচ্ছা দিয়ে দিই কোশ্চেনগুলো, দিয়ে দিই কোশ্চেনগুলো একটু ট্রাই করবে। Number 6, partition a linked list, partition a singly linked list into two lists, such that one list contains even elements and other list contains odd elements. Then number 7, last single list question. A linked list have to be partitioned into two lists. Have to be partitioned into two lists such that first list contains odd positional notes, and other list contains even positional notes, নোটস কিন্তু কোনো অ্যাড্রেস চেঞ্জ হবে না, মানে লাইক দিস। Suppose this is the list, you have to make this connect to this connect to this a list, and other list you have to create in this way, and here you have to use a pointer head 1, other is this point to this, and this is pointed by head 2. In this way you have to make two linked list. এগুলো হোম টাস্ক, এগুলো করবে।